Are you camera shy? Yeah. Hello, I'm currently back to vlogging on my camera. Hopefully, right, Dumbo? Hopefully. Because we need better quality content. But it is currently February 23rd. It is 10:58. It's about to be 11. Last video you guys saw, I believe it was me getting ready for the wedding. I don't know. But half of this lash cluster has come off of my eye, and then this one's fully there. So I think I'm just gonna take them off, honestly. But yeah, it's currently Sunday, and my dad and brother are at work. And I believe there's gonna be a carne asada later today at my aunt and uncle's house at 1. But I'm not sure because it is pouring rain right now. It is like absolutely pouring rain. And I was gonna take Ramo to the park, but it's like literally pouring that I just don't think I am going to because there's a lot of rain. So me and my mom were thinking of taking him on a car ride, and he's currently trying to eat my bag. Me and my mom were thinking of taking him on a car ride instead, and then figuring out what to do with him because he is really tired. He's not really like super hyper like he usually is. ¿Qué quiso decir por estatus?
Hi guys.
We were gonna go to the store, but I think it was like
I'm trying Takis right now.
buy him anything, so I was like, oh, buy your food. That's what we're about to go spend. No. But he says
You have to do that the lens. Yeah, right there.
Spicy.
Spicy?
you don't go that far.
What? Let's start with Dennis. What is your life goal in 10 years? Don't know what you said, but okay. Okay.
Like, alive or like? Be alive.
Okay. Go, Danny.
Go that way.
Oh, never mind. What is yours? In 10 years.
I don't know. Be alive too.
Unoriginal.
He said be here, I said be alive. Be surviving the future.
Go, Johnny.
Be thriving.
Okay. Go, Rosie.
What was the question? 10 years?
Yeah, where do you see yourself in 10 years?
Buying myself a bigger house,
Okay.
having my master's.
Rosa, shh. Next. Go, Junior.
Hopefully alive. Hopefully I don't die or kill myself on accident. I'll be happy with that.
Okay. Next. What's your life goal in 10? Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
I have no idea. Come back to me.
What did you say?
Continue to be married.
That's one day in, bro. You couldn't wait a week for
Go.
Me? Rich. Too soon, rich.
Okay. Rich.
No, that was good. That's funny. That's funny.
Alive.
You said rich?
Alive.
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
Hopefully married with a house.
Oh, that's a good one.
But she had like.
I'll come back.
Don't please though.
Yes.
In Europe.
Wow.
Daddy might have big dreams.
We miss Freddie.
Yeah.
Zoom into Freddie.
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
Being alive.
Oh my God.
That's a big goal.
Okay, let's do you.
To be alive in this world. Be like, I'm a quinceañera. Tell me you have your quinceañera.
Going to daycare and have my master's. That's Buttons. Oh my gosh, that was so adorable. I caught that on video. Buttons and my tío Beto. Hey, Queen. That's my girl. Ain't no way she didn't sit with me with the Beto. Kill her. Dang it. How do you do this?
And you're not even in this.
Oh, it's because you're, yeah. There you go.
Or you can make one of them hold it. Right?
Make Johnny hold it. Johnny, can you hold the camera?
Are you sure it's the whole thing?
Yeah. It's like,
Perfect. Slide, like, tilt it.
Yeah.
There we go.
press record. Are you recording? Yeah.
Yeah. Was it in you? What? That's all we're doing?
Did you guys ever eat gushers when you were little?
So should you.
Please give it a like if you think bitch. I love how he listens.
He's a good listener.
Exactly. Redeeming quality.
I got you, bro. Don't let the haters bring you down.
Oh, we're racing. We're racing.
Oh, say that. Somebody's eating it so fast. He literally asked you, so we just eating this, and you're like, yeah.
You're racing
We're
all the
like,
time?
yeah, we're racing
Because
to
she
see
changed her
when-
mind like
Oh,
halfway through.
the round 2? I beat you
Nah,
guys.
no.
I don't know. We devoured that shit.
You should include a Friday in your.
Strawberry wasn't bad, low key.
Johnny, hold the camera up like this. No, this way. Tilt it down. Perfect. So then Confetti can come out.
Not even that.
Who is? His hair's right
Oh,
there.
here's what's there.
This will be.
This is him
Can you
first.
lock in?
Introduce it.
They smell really good.
Introduce yourself and then the Oreo.
Hi, I'm Johnny and today I'm trying to post
Put it back in.
Put it back in.
Open it. Show us a box. Open it. Get your cookie. Eat it.
Hi, I'm Jonathan and these are the Post Malone cookies. And I'm gonna be reviewing the Post Malone cookies.
Get out of the crate.
Alright.
Get it from the Corolla. You can't endorse anything else.
The Corolla?
Yeah, you can't endorse anything else.
Oreo sponsor me.
Right off the bat.
Okay, sir.
What's your name?
This is a Post Malone Oreo collab review.
What's your name?
Don't matter.
My review speaks for itself.
Did you get this here?
This is pretty fire, actually.
Out of 10, what do you rate it?
Solid 8.
Oh, okay, that's really good.
Oh, good.
I think it's gonna be water.
Decent milk, but fuck.
Fire.
You want milk?
I don't know.
No.
Out of 10.
No, but it was flat like that.
Like an 8.1, 8.2? 8.2? Yeah, I'm like a seafood. Not like overly.
I am.
Do it again.
Post Malone.
God.
Good? Good?
Yeah, I have another. I have two.
Good? Out of 10.
No, like an 8.
Like an 8?
Very good. Not bad.
That's not John Danny's ankle, man. You're doing him dirty with that.
She said that was in your angle.
Damn.
Good. Where's the milk?
Where's the milk?
Show me.
¿De un 10? Oh, 7, 8, so there.
I know, everybody's rating them an 8.
Rate them. They what? You think it's cookies?
Move the curtain. I think if you move the curtain, it'll look more air.
Out of 10.
Please, Johnny.
Yeah, like a 7.
7?
Yeah. It's actually pretty good.
Bread, that's what.
Is this how she breathes? Is that okay? Okay.
Look, he's like dying. Breathe your mouth. Good morning. It is currently Wednesday, February 26th. It is 11:12 in the morning, and I have already done so much today. Woke up around 8. Went and picked up my car. Took Rambo to see my boyfriend for a bit because my boyfriend wanted to see him. So we made a pit stop at his house, and after that I took Rambo to the park, and we currently just made it back, and I am barely eating breakfast. I made myself a protein smoothie, double protein. I have strawberries, blueberries, a bit of peanut butter, Oiko's Greek yogurt, the vanilla one, and a vanilla protein shake. So we got the double protein. I am currently on Zepbound. If you guys do not know, it is a weight loss medication, and I need to get as much protein as I can. I've currently lost about like 6 pounds, and I've been on it for like 2 weeks, I think. But yeah, so we're currently on a learning journey with our food and stuff like that. Health journey. Hopefully it goes well. We got 4 months, I think less now until summer, so we're trying to get ready for summer. But I don't really have much to do today. I wanted to bake some cookies because I want to try a new recipe and, like, you know, expand my menu of cookies for my small business. And then I also want to get a couple of homework stuff done because spring term is about to like start, so I need to register for that. And then yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and bake some cookies. I think I might go pick up one of my mom's workers at like 12 because she needs a ride back to her car because she needs to pick up her kids. So we're gonna go ahead and try to do our most with the cake, with the cookies. And we're making Fruity Pebble cookies that I saw on TikTok, but I'm adjusting mine obviously. Anyways, let's go ahead and take our daily pill that I keep forgetting to take, that apparently I still need to keep taking. So go ahead, take your vitamins or whatever. Cheers.